Okay, today we're going to install the SSD into our BoostR01. So turn the unit around, then open the screw, unscrew the screw on the door. Now this SSD expansion only works when you're using the USB 4 Thunderbolt connection. It does not work on Oculink. Same with the Ethernet and the USB 4 and the card slot down there. So today we're going to show you the expansion, the dock features, which are only basically available using the USB 4 connection. Okay, now we're going to plug in the pin drive, connect the Ethernet, connect the power supply. This is really important. Make sure that you do not plug in the power supply until the correct step, okay? Connect it. Connect the HDMI. And let's make sure the screen is on. So the screen is on. Okay, now we're inside. Okay, now we want to connect the cable. So connect to USB 4. Okay, now we're gonna check and see if it's connected. If Ethernet's connected, it's not connected. So now we're going to right click, go into the task manager. Second icon is the GPU. And we can see here that we have disk, where are we now? GPU, okay, memory, okay. Okay, now we're gonna press the button and go to GPU. GPU. Okay, then, yeah, the GPU 1 will open up. Deny. Okay, we can connect. We can see that we're connected to the internet now. Okay, now we're going to show you performance. So we'll show you. We'll do a second video for the performance. Okay, so make sure to like our video, subscribe, and we'll be right back. And we'll show you the performance.